Welcome to Old Settlers Village in Pine, Arizona, where history meets opportunity.
I'm Christy DeWitz, and this is my husband, Nick DeWitz, and we are not just your traditional real estate team. We're here to make your dreams become reality. Hang tight, because at the end of this video, we have another surprise for you.
You guys are in for a real treat today. We got several buildings waiting for a lick of paint and for you to come put your own entrepreneurial spirit on it.
This is your chance to own a piece of history, 1882 to be precise. While holding on to its historic charm, Pine has transformed into a modern mountain community, embracing outdoor enthusiasts, artists, and seekers of small town warmth. Pine brings in thousands of tourists each year. The possibilities are endless here. This could be a brewery, restaurant, shops, church, wedding venue, Airbnb. Small businesses come here to thrive. The historic buildings in Pine reflect its Wild West origins, with structures that have witnessed generations of growth and change.
Come breathe that crisp pine air. It's only 90 minutes from the valley. You even get your own apple tree too, right off the tree.
Surprise! I also have a cottage next door that's for sale. 4 bedrooms, and it is gorgeous inside.
Whether you're an investor with a keen eye for untapped potential, or you're a small business owner looking for a piece of history, Old Settlers Village is your place.
We don't just sell properties, we sell possibilities and a piece of history. If you want more information on both these properties, contact Nick or myself today.